finding that during the day you're feeling a little bit of elevated stress, you start feeling a bit more neck tension, what this can indicate is that your sympathetic nervous system, aka running away from that bear, is getting a little bit overactivated. When this happens, instead of just using the diaphragm to initiate breathing, what will happen is you start using the accessory breathing muscles that actually are up into the neck. This can actually increase neck tension. So in order to calm the nervous system, to initiate parasympathetic nervous system activation, aka rest and digest, diaphragmatic breathing can bring that energy down. All you're going to do is, I'll show you two different variations of assessing whether you're using the diaphragm or the accessory neck breathing exercise or muscles to breathe. The first one is seated. So all you're going to do is place a hand on your belly and a hand on your chest. And as you breathe in, the hand on your belly should move, whereas the one on your chest should not. If that one starts to move, then it's a pretty safe bet that you're using accessory breathing muscles instead of just the diaphragm. Sometimes I find it's a little bit difficult to assess your breathing mechanism while you're seated because there's a whole lot of other muscles firing. So another way to do this is to lie down. And again, you can place your hand on your belly, hand on your chest. As you breathe, the hand on your belly should move, the hand on your chest should not. As you get more advanced and more practiced in diaphragmatic breathing, what you want to envision is not just your hand moving up and down, but your entire belly moving up and out. So as you breathe in, another way to assess the quality of your diaphragmatic breathing is you can wrap your hands around your belly and the lower rib cage. And as you breathe in, your hands should actually expand in all dimensions, out and back in. Sometimes I'll take this even a step further and teach abdominal bracing as kind of a branch off of diaphragmatic breathing. This is another really, really low impact core exercise. So all you're going to do is hands around your belly again. Take a deep breath in. Hands expand out. And as you breathe out, your hands come back in. Once you're done breathing out, you keep on breathing out, keep on breathing out, keep on breathing out. And as you do that, you can feel your core braces more and more. Your hands come more and more together. And then finally, you breathe in and your hands expand out. So we're talking about identifying diaphragmatic breathing and using your diaphragm to breathe instead of your neck muscles. Then you're taking it a step further and really, really expanding the diaphragm. And finally, you're using diaphragmatic breathing as an exercise tool to learn how to initiate a really good quality abdominal